Up YouTube, Rezo Beats and stuff here just to show you the unboxing of the exhaust manifold and catalytic converter you can get off of eBay for under $100. So let's get to it real quick. My girl's probably gonna kill me for doing it all in the bed, but whatever, I don't care. I'll take it. Let's see. So bolts, gasket, or whatever the hell, another gasket for the blah 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 blah. All right, got the converter, catalytic converter. Damn, some pretty welds ain't the greatest, but I'm sure they'll hold just fine. What do you expect for, you know, $100? So yeah, awesome. That's that. Pull out the manifold here. It's a little dirty in there. It's gonna kill me. I don't care. We'll just unbox this one here in the box. And here is the other piece, exhaust manifold with the new cover. That's awesome because my old one got thrown away. So there's the inside. Whatever. Bang bang, bang 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 bang. Bang bang. And that's that, I guess, already. Let's see. Open this up. Hold on 1 second. Alright, got the gasket for the bang right there. That goes onto that. Blah blah blah. This, I'm not sure where the fuck this would go. I think that goes there in between that and the other exhaust pipe. And it actually came with the right gasket, I think. Right? Nuts and bolts, whatever. And I'll show you what it looks like when it gets put on. All right.